Welcome back to the Repair Nut channel. Today we have this Cuisinart SS-15 model coffee maker, and it won't work on the single serve side. This is the kind of coffee maker that on one side it brews the whole pot, on the other side it has the K-cup style, single serve style. And what's happening is on the single serve side, the water level sensor light is always on, saying that there's low water even when there's a full tank of water. You see that blue light there on the right side of this. That is saying that I have a low water level. So that's telling me that there's likely a water level sensor problem. Let's take a look at the water reservoir for this thing on the back here. There is a minimum fill mark. You make sure your water is full above that, but how it works is when you fill it up with water, this little black plastic disc floats all the way up. That little black disc has a magnet inside of it, and when you put the water reservoir onto where it goes there, that black disc kind of matches up with a water level sensor inside of the unit right there. It turns off that water light. So what was happening for me was my black plastic disc, it's hollow and it has a magnet inside of it, but it was filling up with water, and that water was weighing it down. It could not float up. So that black disc was down, even though the water was full, it couldn't float up. So the only way to really fix it is, unfortunately, to replace your water reservoir. And I'll put a link to one in the description of the video. So you can take something like a screwdriver, and just showing that there's a magnet inside of this disc, you can move the disc kind of up and down by dragging the screwdriver around because it's magnetic inside of there. So that's how that little sensor works. It uses that magnet inside of the hollow disc, and when it floats all the way up, the little water sensor inside the unit senses the magnet and says, hey, it's full of water. I was curious how this thing works, so I was able to get a tool and sort of pull off the cap that holds that disc in. Now, it did break the little posts that it mounts to, so there's not really a good way to remove this thing as far as I can tell. And here's the disc. I went ahead and cut it apart, and sure enough, there's a magnet inside of it. Again, I think the best way to do this is to just get yourself a new water reservoir, which is what I did, and now my coffee pot works great again. All right, thanks for watching the Repair Nut. Hopefully this video helped you out. Give me a thumbs up and follow for more useful videos. Here's a few more videos I think you might like.